Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, everyone. So let's go there. Let's go there. A moment. Okay, I think it's time to start letting go for these drawings. Yeah. So I'm gonna start from daily TF to look at market structure. I can see some sort of resistance around here, but then I need to go to 4 hours to confirm the. Okay, right here I'm just gonna have I think. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna mark out my ranging area, support and resistance. Because I'm gonna zoom in one more time. This is really, really. I mean, this is really a mess. Nothing is a market, guys. Nothing unless we secure a closure above or below this zone. So even this zone is not even good enough for me. I would say. Even when price breaks out of here, still have another week here to be filled, and then this just a lot of problem areas, I would say. But then it's better to take it outside. The moment you secure closure outside, it's better to take it through that is going downwards. And then, excuse me, and then when this is done, that is basically about this is gonna be buys, yeah. This is gonna be sells. So that is it. Let's hold on to this and see how the next 15 minutes reacts to the market. So I'm going to quickly duplicate the screen and, of course, have a go at my favorite pair. Excuse me. So this is what we do right now. So I'm just going to have a go at US 30. You can see some support formed after this break. There is this strong point here, which was previously the resistance. So this resistance was actually broken, and then the same point was retested, and we secured the closure above here. We secured the closure above the this zone again. So it makes sense. Whoever bought from here is actually in serious advantage right now. But I'm gonna just narrow this down a little bit. So I'm gonna choose a new set of support and resistance so that we can be able to join get into buy into the trade at any point in time. So just one moment, guys. Just one moment. Just one moment. Let me just set up my YouTube as well. So this thing's goes into my YouTube. Apologies if my phone is pinging and pinging and pinging. I've got a couple of now I'm missing out on something. I think there's a news. I can see Federal Reserve YouTube channel is on. I'm not sure why. So let's get there to find out. Federal Reserve news, really? Like seriously? Let's get over there to find out. One moment. I'm trying to. Oh, I never saw this, and the news is happening right now. Holy guys, I never saw this. I've not logged in literally into anything today. I'm just logging in, and this is happening. I hope all is well. I hope all is well. I hope all is well with my friends out there who took trades. Boy, speaking by this time, man, is deadly. And I have one open position. How is the position doing? I don't think his speech is reacting enough yet. So it's good. It's fine. His speech is not reacting enough. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so just one more minute. Let's have a go at this. Holy man, just keep going up, don't come down because this trade must not go against me. Yeah, a moment, a moment, a moment, a moment, a moment. Apologies, let's go there. Wait, typing, holy. Okay, let me just finish my analysis, then I can go back to my personal life. Apologies, everyone online. Really, I'm super, super sorry about this. Okay, we have support right here. This price broke out right here. This is actually a trend. Yeah, broke out, retested, and then broke out again. A perfect entry would have been here. Yeah. So if you got in here, congrats, because most likely price is gonna go and hit the other white line. Yeah. So with that said, this is gonna be our new support right now, because this actually obviously it's pretty much clear. This is a support, right? This is a support. So I'm sorry. This was a resistance. What's happening to my? All right. This was a resistance before. Then it was pierced, pierced through here. So it's now a support. So how is price going to react to this zone? Something we don't know yet. But let's keep our fingers crossed. So if you are not in any position, you just hang on in there. Let's wait for New York session open. Then we can decide on what next to do. Yeah. So I need to change my computer. My computer is hanging these days and it's not funny anymore. Yeah, so this basically is it. When I zoom out a little bit, I don't quite see price action. Okay. Yeah, yeah, nice. See what price is actually doing around here. See what price is actually doing around here. So, yeah, okay, so most likely, price is gonna head to somewhere around the 34 to 87. Yeah, the 02. So let's hold on and see how it all goes. Apologies if I'm moving this a lot. I'm just used to moving it around. I'm not happy if it's not actually moving around. Right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So it's technically too late to get in now. Yeah, it's technically too late. So let's just wait a little bit. So good. Yeah, it's too late for entering. I would say. For me, I prefer to enter, get in at the right time so that I can flow the entire price movement or something. Basically. So gold is, reacting super nice. But honestly, I'm not sure. I mean, am I? Does it mean that something is actually happening, or what? I mean, what's going on? Let's have a look at very quick look at Fed chair speaking. That's Powell, right? Mr. Powell, yeah. So let's see what we can gain from his, priceless speech. I'm not sure why this internet is lagging. 5G yet is lagging. What the hell, man? For technically, it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, that's apologies. Oh my God, gold is at it, man. Gold is so. If gold should break that low, if we can get a closure below that level, simply means one thing. Where can we have us out? Oh my God, there's a lot of noise here, man. God damn it. I don't think I'm gonna be comfortable with this trip, but it's worth trying, right? So, ole. So most likely, this is not enough. I want something huge, you know. Let's move a little bit. This is all nonsense, man. You just have to, guys. You just have to be careful with this. Or this, just have to be very, very careful. I'm gonna mark use. Gonna just ole. So let's go again here, and then we're just gonna have just gonna note denote that area. Be careful, yeah. Makes sense now. So this tells me to be careful. Even if price is dropping down to that level, I gotta be careful, right? So I don't fall a victim of anything, yeah. Okay, this is really moving on fine. I think it makes sense if we can get a closure at this level. Then the next candle, I just want to see some movement towards towards this, support. If I can secure a movement towards this support, then it's pretty much very easy. Yeah, it's pretty much very easy for me to get some confirmation that I seek, right, to get in here, or even when price gets to somewhere here, I can get in with a lower risk for about 8 to 9 pips, if not more. So this is actually a good option. So let's wait on US 30. So Federal Reserve. Okay. Oh, yes. Are you kidding me right now? Nice. What's going on? I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't think this guy has said anything to move the market, right? Instead, this shit stops. This stopped 57 minutes ago, and still nothing is happening in the market. So it's just so funny, My God, I wish I started this streaming earlier, that together around here. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna let Mr. Powell speak to his, family members, see if we can grab something and okay, so gold is actually, boiling up here. But not basically boiling, but it's getting ready for something. If you can secure a closure, I just want to see, 30 minutes close where these 30 minutes couldn't close, right? Just somewhere here. Even if, 30 minutes may make this candle, close this way, perhaps I could actually wait for of this particular, bearish candle could actually take us down 37 pips, subsequently to 90 pips, yeah. So it makes sense to just hang on in there. Honestly, I have a feeling today is going to be a cute day because when is this, they start out dull and, end in praise. If you understand what I mean. So let's keep hoping. Honestly, this mic is blocking my screen. I don't know. Can you guys still hear me when this mic is, far away from me? Because honestly, it's driving me crazy. Holy, this is dropping. Are you kidding me right now? You don't do that, man. You go up, 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 up. Man, don't drop, don't drop, don't drop, don't drop, don't do that shit, man. Just go up. All right, okay, guys. So it's a sell for me here, yeah, below here, yeah. So it's a sell for me. Anyway, let me open the position, then we can talk more. Holy shit. It's a sell for me. So if you wanna join, feel free to. It's a sell for me. I just want to set up my open the position before I set up the. Right. Okay. So now selling gold. Yeah. It's you're risking 46 pips for 90 pips. Yeah. 46 for 90 pips. Is this gonna hold? Oh yes. Yeah. Bye, guys. Don't worry. There's no need to call this trade, right? Because the other one is running. We have a trade here. But if you must take it, this is a buy from here anyway. Yeah, it's a buy. It's a buy from 34 to 1968, and the stop loss should be at 34,182. Yeah. So choose whatever you want. Both of them are valid trades. Yeah. Unfortunately, they came together, but it makes sense if we see opportunities this way. We shouldn't just sleep on them, right? So the US 30 buys and gold sells. Okay. Honestly, gold, I don't see the volume. Volume is not there. If I had called this trade earlier, I would have been super happy because we would be in massive profits. Yeah. 1 minute is bubbling with hope. Yeah. Man, I know where you going to. Come on, keep going up. What do you think you go into, bro? Just go up, nothing else. I don't need nothing from you. Just keep going up, bro. Yalla. Go up, man. Don't do that shit. Don't do that shit, honestly. Don't do that shit. You should learn how to go up without obstructions, guys. Code is doing fine, I'd say. Code is doing fine. Question. Should have gotten in earlier in gold, but unfortunately, I don't trust 15 minutes. I trust 30 minutes more, so I couldn't get in earlier in gold. Man, the hell is this thing doing, man? Don't go down. Just keep going up. Just up, 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 up. Stop wasting my time, bro. Okay, we just gotta give it some time, yeah? Let's give it some time. If it's, heading our direction, fine. If it's not, what to do? Carol, it is what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this, and gold is not doing so well. That's why I actually don't like candles without wick. I don't enjoy candles without wick, right? So gold is not doing pretty fine, but I think it's gonna do fine anyway because I have double top here in 30 minutes. So I mean, if you look at what's happening here, you're gonna see. I mean, the sell is worth trying, right? Everything here was coming down. Like we've been having series of lower lows, yeah. I mean higher lows, yeah. Is it higher lows? Lower highs, yeah, and higher lows, yeah. So going, then is a high, another high, high, then it ranged until here, yeah. So considering this, when I zoom in out and remove my drawings, you're gonna see price was ranging around here, right? Between here and here, between 196 1969 and 1961, yeah, price was ranging. And in this range, I've got this high and this lower high and another lower high. And this lower high is actually constituting one setup called double top, yeah. If you go to 5 minutes, you're going to see this double top setup properly. You're going to see it, clear, see? So let's see how this takes. I don't look at these setups anyway, but it's worth, mentioning so that we can have the courage to follow the process. So I'm just trying to follow the process here and nothing else. So I'm gonna leave this to see how it goes. Don't forget, if you look at this, tab here, you're gonna be looking. I'm gonna be monitoring US 30 from here. So it's at 100 now. If it's increasing, it means we're going high. But if it's decreasing, it means we are losing. Yeah. So let's keep those things in at the back of our mind. Gold is gonna drop anyway. Gold is gonna like drop. Maybe after this 30 minutes, the next 30 minutes it's gonna go crazy. I have a feeling. I've seen a lot of times this kind of setups, after this kind of closure. After this kind of closure, yeah, we have some sort of a candle that with exhaustion week, I would say, and then the break of that low for sales, the break of the low well, it would cause price to drop massively. So let's just keep hoping the price is gonna do what we want it to do. Meanwhile, I'm gonna mute myself for a while now and enjoy my music. Oh, if I mute myself, you are not gonna enjoy the music with me. So I'm gonna leave it open. Gonna leave it open. This is all just messing around. Why are they messing around? Come on, man. I was making a hell of money in US 30. What happened? All my money just going into the drain? Come on. I was making a whole lot of money. Yalla, go up and get me some cash, bro. Go up and get me some cash. I feel like punching this price action, honestly. I mean, you should do something. Just flush up and get me some money. I mean, I need to go on vacation. I need to go on vacation. Like, travel away from Asia. Go to a very far place and have some fun. Come on, where are you doing? Where are you going? Honestly, yeah, Delhi is filled up with some buys. I'm not worried about Delhi, and 4 hours. I only have issues with this tiny wick. See that tiny wick? That wick is too small. But regardless, it's fine. Enjoy. 1 hour. Yeah, pretty much fine, man. This high is broken. So the hell are you doing? Just fly up. Oh, I know what this is doing actually. I know what it's doing. It's forming a range. It's kind of forming a range around here. Yeah, break out of this very little tiny range here, and then it's retesting whatever is it left behind and trying to give me something substantial. Yeah, I'm just trusting the process here, so I don't give a damn what happens next, but it makes sense that I trust the process. The money, you know, just a couple of 10 minutes ago, I had a lot of profits PNL, and now the profit is going from something down to minus and then something high, something. What's going on? What's going on with these brokers? These brokers are quite crazy. They're not honest. My broker is not honest. I'm going to change them. Anyway, regardless of what I say, whatever thing anybody is telling you, I just trust the process and follow these things straightly, man. It's gonna pay. I mean, there's a process, and you follow it. The next thing is it pays. If it doesn't pay now, with proper risk management, it's gonna eventually pay. So why not follow the process? This area, price rejected this area first. There's a rejection here. Price rejected this area and then attempted to come down, came up and rejected this area second time, then all the way down, price came all the way down, attempted to move up again, rejected this area. So I shouldn't worry. I mean, this is called fake out, yeah? Price going up and closing back in. It's called fake out. So I know something definitely is going to happen. It should go down. Just that no, for some reasons I'm losing my patience, perhaps because I need money, yeah, for my vacation. I need to vacation somewhere very, nice. Somewhere very nice. Apologies. Okay. be hanging in there to see what price. Oh my god, that was massive profit before. I should have just closed it. And if I closed it, perhaps now I would have gotten into another. But then, what's the need? I can't keep cutting my profit short, right? So it makes sense if I follow the process. So two things, one out of two things, one is going to happen here, guys. If price breaks below this, I'm going to close my position here because I don't trust it to continue going up temporarily. I'm going to close my position if price breaks below here. I'm going to just take my whatever thing I have and close it and get out. Yeah, I know price most likely is going to drop down and continue pushing up. Yeah, I know. But then if it crosses here, then it's not safe for me. Then it just wants to play with my emotions and with our emotions here, waste our time. So let's see. If it crosses below here, instant closure. But if it breaks above here, then there's hope. There is hope. So now that I've given my condition, you're going to see how fast price is going to just go to cross that area. And guess what? After crossing that area, it's just going to continue going up. These things are crazy. Trust me. These things are super crazy. All right. Oh, gold is acting quite well. Gold is already acting well. Yeah, I love what I see on gold. So I'm trusting the process, and the process is actually paying. Oh, I see. My profit is get jumping back to normal now. You see that? See, profit is counting again. See, guys, understand how these things work. Yeah, if you understand how these things work, if you understand how these things work, honestly, you're gonna like be a king in the game. Once it crosses here below this, it means closure because you don't have any business anymore with buys. You just need to have price come down all the way down here. Try to pull down a little bit. Maybe it may, price may reject this zone before then going back again. I don't have that time. I don't have the bandwidth to wait. I'm super busy. Yeah. So what I need to do is close and go home, accept my loss. Yeah. But now it's crossed above here, right? So it means there's official for us in this trade. So it means it's gonna up. It's just up, go up somewhere. Very nice. I'm not always this funny anyway, so I'm always very not okay. I'm gonna add positions to this gold trade. This gold is, believe me, guys, trust this gold trade. The next 30 minutes, if it sees this level, if the next 30 minutes sees this level and breaks it, before you say amen, before you say amen, price is gonna be here. So let me leave this drawing here just for reference. If it doesn't happen, it's good. Oh, my darling. Oh, there's money everywhere. Guys, there's money everywhere. Money is everywhere. Money is everywhere. If this guy hits TP, I'm gonna fund my vacation easily, very easily. Yeah, guys, please. If you have some need, oh my God, if you have some need, and start praying. I need this money. I need this money. Within these few days that markets was acting up, I lost a lot of money. So I need to make up for the money I lost, right? Yeah. If you come down, hey, if you come down, US 30. If you, oh, I need to close my trade now, guys. Oh no, no, I don't trust. Oh shit, it's coming down already. No, I'm not closing it. Fuck it. I'm not closing it. I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even. That's all I can do now. If I had seen this earlier, I was talking, busy talking. And eventually, this stuff took away my talking power. Just go up and close up. Don't come down. Don't come down. Okay. All right. Gold is pretty much doing fine. Gold is doing very well for itself. So our two positions today are gonna pay, guys. They're gonna pay. Oh, I just launched the link. Okay. My friend that just launched the link. Let me know if my YouTube uh output is not okay. If my YouTube output is not okay, please, my friend that just launched the link, let me know so I can do something about it, man. Why is this thing just messing up, man? Oh God, I just want this thing to hit my TP. Go and hit my TP. This freaking something. I have TP to be hit. All you need to do is to go hit that TP, nothing else. Don't do any other thing. Just go hit the TP. You punch mango fruit. Come on, you go. I think I need to learn how to be patient, honestly. One day I'm going to break my screen because of the way price. Time to have gotten into the market is, honestly, I'm not going to lie to you, the best place to have gotten into the market was here. So, see the series of, the episodes that have been happening here. So, you know, let me just, now, these two things formed, deceiving people to sell here. Yeah. So basically, this guy gathered some liquidity and closed above here. If I had seen this, this is a very, very critical area. Yeah. All these candles here, none of them were able to close above, but this specific candle, this particular candle closed above. So what does it tell us? It's telling us that price is going to go up. But first, it needs to go down, yeah, to retest this zone again one more time. So after retesting it, closed above, closed above. I want you guys to see the candle properly. Closed above. It makes sense if we actually take a buy from here with stop loss below here, and the moment we see that this candle has broken this high, this candle has broken this high, we need to move our stop loss from this level up to this level. Yeah, so with this setup here, move your stop loss to break even and done. We are done with the trade. Then let it go and hit wherever it wants to hit. But it's all good. I'm not sure, honestly. I'm not sure why this thing is moving down so much. I feel betrayed. You know, I feel betrayed. It's moving down so much and it's not healthy for me, honestly. I feel, betrayed a lot right now. See, one thing, if there's something we're going to take away from this streaming today, any candle that is without wick, it's not a good sign. That was why when I saw this, I wanted to close it, but before I could open my, this was actually freezing over here in Trading View. So before I could open my, my trading platform, it has moved down a long way, and it's a very, very not okay move, yeah. But it's okay, it's okay. Let's see the outcome. Don't forget, I've moved my stop loss to break even, yeah. Let me show you guys snippet so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. Yeah. Why is my computer hanging? That's something I don't understand. It's just freezing, just freezing. It's crazy, man. All right, so this is it. You can see I moved my stop loss to break even. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, okay. This is it. I moved my stop loss to break even. Okay. So if you want to do it, if you don't want, if you feel like oh my God, we are doing something nice, it's gonna work out. It's entirely up to you, guys. See what I told you guys about this level. Once this closes, once this 30 minutes closes, the break of this low, oh my God, it's gonna cause some issues. So does anyone have any idea what our uncle Power said? Our uncle was saying something on YouTube. He was mentioning some things. I didn't quite get them. Yeah. If anyone could please summarize what our uncle said. Our Powell, our uncle. Everything finished. How? Wait. All right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you for the wait and the holding on. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Yeah, go this swiping some cash. Go this making me swipe my ATM. I feel like spending before the money comes in. Who is with me? Excuse me. Come on, US 30. Man, I shouldn't have gotten into the US 30. I'm in profit here, but I mean, I was like a massive profit before, right? Which you don't mess with me, man. You don't know who you try that. See what this guy is trying to do here? Guess what? This guy is targeting my stop loss, which is in is in break even zone. Yeah, he's targeting my stop loss. The moment it touches my stop loss, it's gonna fly away and it's gonna leave me like, where the hell did I move my stop loss to break even? And guess what? The day that I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even, it's gonna come there and cross it, and it's just gonna go and give me some goose pimples, you know. So these things you just have to have a principle, whether it's working out for you or not. You just gotta trust the process. That's all that matters. Trust the process. Collapse, finish. If it hits my break-even point, it's gone. Let it go. I don't care. I don't give a shelly pop. And eventually, it's there. Eventually. Salam alaikum. Bye. Eventually, it's there. Eventually. Unfortunately. After all this. Anyway, I still have something going on in gold, so I'm not like perturbed, yeah? I'm not just acting up for nothing, yeah? Just acting up for nothing. So basically, guys, let's not be emotional here. So let me show you guys what's actually happening here. What's happening here is that a new 1 hour candle formed here. So price already closed outside this zone. So this zone has been like, price has been, ranging inside this zone for some days now, yeah? From 3rd of November, you can see it has been ranging inside this area, yeah, for some time now. So what basically happened is 1 hour just closed outside this zone completely. Regardless of this, all these weeks here, 1 hour still closed outside here. So what this basically means is that there is price has high tendency to fly away or to break back inside. If it breaks back inside, then there is something called danger. It's called breakout. I mean, fake out. Yeah, danger. So if it breaks back inside, then it makes sense if to take sell from this low down. But that's not what I'm willing to do now. Yeah, my bias is going to be buy until I get to this point. I get to price closes below 34. That's going to be buy is going to be my bias. I mean, I'm not going to unwavering buy. It's going to be my bias. Yeah. So this low, if you remember what I said before, 30 minutes closed outside this space, all this noise. So these noise are no longer there. So 30 minutes closed outside. So the break of this, the low of this 30 minutes has triggered price to keep running down. And I believe price is going to run down until this zone. But don't forget what I said here, be careful. So because of this, I remember this, it makes sense if you denote all these things. So you don't run into issues in the future. So because of this, I see price is beginning to react around that zone. So I'm gonna, move now my stop loss to break even. Okay. So that's the only way to do it now. You gotta move your stop loss to break even to avoid, regretting later. Okay. Need to move your stop loss to break even, guys. Man, I think I strongly believe US 30 is gonna go down. It's gonna drop. I believe it's gonna drop because this candle I've seen it a lot. Like I've seen this move a lot of times. This kind of unhealthy candle. But I didn't close my trade. I know it's some sort of greed. Yeah, it's okay. I didn't close it because I was expecting price to at least reach here. Why? Why do I expect price to reach there? Let's zoom out. Let's zoom in a little. No, zoom out a little bit. So you see, we have this area. This should be my point of interest. Yeah. So let's see what this area is doing. So this is my point of interest. I'm expecting price to easily, clear all this area. Clean up all this area and get stuck around here. I was expecting price to come over here and get stuck around here, but I guess that's never happened. Unfortunately, I didn't lose out in the trade. Price hit my break even, and that's it. But as a learning for me, actually, I could do better. By better, I mean perhaps if I move my, which is what I usually do, but I didn't do it this time. If I move my, my stop loss to break even, I am supposed to close at least 50% of my position. If I close 50% of my position, do you think this thing is going to be the case? Let me show. This thing is not going to be the case. Yeah. If I close 50% of my position, what's going to basically happen here is, I'm going to gain all this move at 50%, and then that's it. That 50% is going to be my move. But eventually, I moved my stop loss to break even. So the trade, more like it never existed. The trade never existed, which is still okay. It's still a healthy way of doing risk management. So, just saying respectfully, um, I have a feeling price is coming down. Yeah, it's coming down to close inside. If it does, then my dears, it is this all becomes a fake out. This simply means that price has a tendency, when it breaks below here, to fly all the way. Like it's gonna go crazy, like it's gonna go bananas, all the way, maybe around here, perhaps around here. 309 pips, that's 310 pips. But the question is this gonna happen? I don't know, honestly, I don't know. So, guys, move your stop loss to break even, and please, please close 50% of your position. It's gonna help you in future, trust me. In fact, I think I should close on my gold. No, gold has potentials to go down. So why close all of them? No need to close all of them. Yeah? I wish my magic keys is working. I don't know, for some reasons it stopped working. If it were to be working, how these things. So I close 50%. Move your stop loss to break even and close 50%. Don't forget what happened to me here. I mean, I'm right now I'm insane because I was seeing a hell of profit in my account. Suddenly, I can't see the profit anymore. So it's quite painful. So if you don't want what happened to Kingsley to happen to Euro, move it now. So this young man technically hit my stop loss to come and retest this area. And guess what it's gonna do now? If it closes and if this 5 minutes closes and the next 5 minutes breaks above it, the sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Let's go for warm color. Why do I still feel like taking a trade here? Oh, I feel like taking a trade here because this bearish candle closed similar to this bullish candle. So this was all a white noise. Yeah. See. It's all a white noise. I told you. If price breaks above here, it's gonna fly. It's gonna fly away. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. See what I'm missing? If I had left my stop loss in place, it would have been hit anyway. I would have lost anyway because my stop loss was here. Now see, this is liquidity grab, guys. Okay, It's all liquidity grab. Trust me, it's the concept. It tries to, price market has a way of, cleaning out those who are not strong enough to take risk. Scaring those who are chicken hearted. Scares the hell out of them. Which I happen to be one of them. All right, apologies for laughing like that. So it's all going up again. It's a pitiable bisma that this is happening to kings. So guys, we could actually be part of this trade one more time, yeah. But I'm trying to figure out how, because this is still a buy. Like seriously, is a buy, unwavering buy. This is an unwavering buy. But the question is, how do we take advantage of this? We can take advantage of this after this candle closes. So let's see. So for my friends that missed the initial trade, an opportunity is coming up again. Hold on there. Let's have a look at NATS 100. I have a feeling NATS has something very fantastic for me. I think in that situation, NAS is worse. NAS is worse, guys. It's worst. It is worst with NAS. Holy. But NAS makes sense anyway. Makes giving me some joyous vibes. Know that joy you feel in the morning on Sunday mornings when you were a kid. That today you're gonna eat a lot of meat because it's Sunday. So basically, those two things are the same. No need to switch them. Yeah. Let me look at my favorite pair. One index 30. Holy! What the hell, man? What the hell, man? It's just from here. Stop loss somewhere around here. For 3 pips, you go for 160 pips. That's magnanimous. Oh, can anyone remember what I said about this trade again? I said something about once this breaks below here, just gonna move. Why? Because these candles they were not able to close. This is a very problematic area. So this close it below after suffering the rejection around this area. This guy that broke out closed back in. You understand what I mean? This guy broke out, closed back in. This one, closed bullish, and this guy went to test the waters. Oh, cool. But somebody hit it with hammer. It's reversed and closed here. This is my ideal setup. Honestly, I can go in to trade with this setup with 100% of my account. Honestly, I'm not exaggerating about this. This setup is my thing. You wanna know what I'm talking about? Join my Telegram group and you see for yourself. Just join and request me to share you my playbook, my setup Bible, I call it. So you're gonna see for yourself how it works. Yeah, US 30. All right, let's face this guy squarely. Let's call it a spade. If it's a spade, guys, bet me when I say today looks like a day when you go to bed and wake up and the US 30 is here. I like when I say it. Okay. That's why I said, bet me when I say it. Just sleep and wake up. Come back to US 30. Note this price 33,975. 33,975. Observe this price. Watch this price and see what's going to happen when you wake up. If 1 hour dares to close below 34,182, if 1 hour candlestick dares to close below 34,182, you wake up in the morning, you're going to see US 30 at 33,975 or below. Because this market, this movement is giving me that vibe. Oh, I don't care. I don't care. Go screw yourself. Go screw yourself. That's what I'm getting right now. It's sharing with me and chicken. Rat chicken about what I feel. So I know what brought this guy down. I should have paid attention to this level, but I never really paid attention to it, so it hurt me. It's okay. So let me open a very small position. Not now, though, so you don't go to waste your money. Oh god, this is gonna go up, guys. Trust me, this is gonna go up. The break of above here seems like something that's gonna be profitable. What do you think, guys? I didn't say open. I didn't say open. Let's just paper trade, Whenever I'm gonna, mess up myself by taking a trade I'm not supposed to take, I simply instead of taking it, I'm just gonna paper trade, to see how it's gonna go. So if it works out, I'll be like, oh, that's a learning. If it doesn't work out, I'll be like, oh, that's a learning. So the best thing to do right now is to paper trade, yeah? Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Guys, paper trade, paper trade. Paper trade, paper trade. If you really want to get into this position, the place to get into this position is here. The place to get into this position is at this level, yeah? 34,224. If you want to get into the position, that's your entry. Because as long as this week is here, you can't just, bypass the week, right? You have to give something for that week to go. Either you give it your patient or you give it your money. So choose one thing to give, patience or money. For me, I'm going to choose patience, yeah? I don't like what this is doing. So let me just close out my position. If it's going down, it's okay. Let it go down. I don't give a duck. Don't give a rat shit about what it's doing. So this is my good position right there. I've closed 50%. So I'm just gonna close the rest of the position. See that? Done. Okay. So if you're still on the position, you are there on your own. I didn't send you. I no send you. I didn't send you there. If you're still in good position on your own, I've closed good position. It was a massive success. Closed at 45. Oh, not 45. Apologies, guys. 43 pips. Yeah, closed at 43 pips. Don't get me wrong. This could still go down. Like it's not it could. It's still gonna go down massively. But I don't have that time to wait. Tomorrow is another day for me to come and do my business. Yeah. So I better take what I see. And the biggest learning for me today is the fact that I was a massive profit here. Yeah, here, but I neglected it. And for some reasons, not negligence, I would say. I didn't neglect it. I wanted to close, but price went down. And then even when I saw price rushing down, I didn't still close it. That's a negligence on my part, right? So that's the biggest lesson for me. Move stop loss to break even and close 50%. That's the biggest lesson for everyone today, yeah? So if you have question, you know how to find me. Come over to my Telegram group. Check out my profile and find your way to my Telegram group. That's it right here. I don't wanna say the name is Kingsley's Friends. Kingsley's friend. Kingsley's friend, yeah. Then just come over there, let's have a chat, okay? Again, I'm out of this trade. This can actually go down all the way here. Like it has the tendency, it's equipped to do it. But I'm actually out, yeah? All the way down to this area because of this week. So this week is still getting this one. This week has been filled by this candle, and this the week created by this candle has been filled by this, and this candle now is filling this week. After it's done with enough volume, it could still fill this week. So I know there's some sort of obstruction here. So it makes sense if I leave early and use my time for something else instead of waiting. So it's gonna be a tough one. It may be a tough one. So you see, paper trading page. We shouldn't take this trade, yeah. If you had taken this trade here, you know it wouldn't have made any sense to you, right? The best place to have opened another position, a buy position here is above 34,224. Outside that, this candle may most likely be a fake out, and if it's a fake out, apologies guys, it's going to drop. But I won't wait to wait. I'm not going to be here to see that happen. I'm going to be totally off the grid until this time tomorrow. Thanks everyone for joining, and I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much, and